In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a waiting list on Shopify. By the end, you'll know how to find a reliable app, install it, and explore the settings so you can start collecting customer interest when items are unavailable. Start by opening your Shopify store and signing into your admin. From your dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and open the Apps section. This is where you manage everything you add to your store to extend its functionality. Inside Apps, access the Shopify App Store and use the search bar to enter Waiting List. You'll see a range of options appear. This search is the quickest way to discover tools built specifically for waitlists or back-in-stock notifications. Take a moment to skim the list so you can spot apps that match your needs and budget. Next, select the right app for your store. Click into a few options and review their descriptions carefully. Look for features like automated email or SMS alerts, variant-level waitlists for specific sizes or colors, integrations with your email provider, customizable sign-up forms and buttons, and analytics to track sign-ups. Check ratings, read recent reviews to understand real-world performance, and note pricing and any trial period. If your store serves customers in multiple regions, confirm that the app supports your storefront language and complies with privacy requirements in your market. Choosing an app that fits your workflow now will save time later. Once you've identified a good match, click the app to open its listing page, then click Install. You'll be prompted to approve the permissions the app needs to run. Review them so you understand what the app can access and confirm the installation. If there's a paid plan, you'll see the pricing details before you accept. After the app is installed, open it from your apps list and explore its settings to enable the waiting list feature. Most apps let you choose which products or variants show a Notify Me or Join Waitlist button when out of stock. Customize the text and design to match your brand and set up how and when customers are notified. You can usually configure the form fields you collect, connect your email marketing tool if supported, and decide on double opt-in for compliance and deliverability. Many apps include a preview mode, so you can see how the button appears on your product page and confirm that signups are captured as expected. That's it. You opened your Shopify store, went to Apps, searched for a waiting list solution, selected the right app, installed it, and explored its options to activate a clear, customer-friendly waitlist experience.